Good. Whenever you see a line, that means read the name, like E. Okay. This is the C. C. Okay. C. I know that. C. D. D. C. D. C. D. C. Seed.
Good girl.
Seed. I already know.
Okay, let her do the pointing.
Rat. This, when you see a little letter, that means you don't say it. No, I already know.
She knows. She does know that lesson, Kate. Thank you, though. You're a big help.
Read. I already know.
Okay.
You give it.